Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use SiriusXM without a subscription. So if you've heard there's a trick to access SiriusXM forever without paying, then here's what you should know. The truth is, most SiriusXM channels require an active subscription, and there isn't a legitimate way to permanently access them for free. However, SiriusXM occasionally offers official free listening events where anyone can enjoy selected channels for a limited time. And if you're a new customer, you may also be eligible for a free trial when purchasing a new vehicle or through a promotional offer. To see if any free offers are available, you need to visit the official SiriusXM website or open the SiriusXM app and review the current promotions. So that was the legal way to use SiriusXM without a subscription. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.